Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please help us subscribe to increase the number of our subscribers. Like the video and comment what you would like us to talk about. So in today's video, I'm taking us through our simple chicken coop that can keep up to 50 chicken to maturity. It's very small. It's at the veranda of the building where we stay. So this is how the coop looks like. It has two levels. We have the lower one and the upper one. Then we have used the simple material, the wood of cuts and the poles. Then, so level 1, we keep some fuel there like you're seeing, and level 2. And we have improvised our drinkers, like cut jerrycans tied, pour water from out, they pull their head through the wire mesh and they take. And we have our simple door there. Then on top is a roof, iron sheet of course, but we have added tarpaulin on it for covering if it's raining, for rain not to enter the chicken coop. And to add on it inside, we had tried to come up with a design which did not work out, but it has helped. We have put wire mesh in where their poo goes under. There is a wood for collecting their poo where we clean weekly. We open the sides and we pull the board out and we clean the poo. So that is it. As simple as how it is looking is our simple chicken coop, which is beginner friendly. It's for that person who want to start keeping chicken but says they don't have a chicken house or what. You can improvise using our idea. We have improvised, we have kept chicken, and we are growing. We have now bigger plans. So thank you for watching.